Hello, good day, and welcome to Sentinel Media. My name is Floyd. Today we'll be talking about how to trade arbitrage. Um, you must have heard of arbitrage and what you stand to gain from trading arbitrage. Okay, and like most of us, we do card arbitrage. Yes, use debit card to trade. You buy from different from the platform using your card, but due to limitation placed by CBN, it has not really been easy. Before then, we used to, spend up to people used to spend up to 5,000 per month, giving up to 5,000 limit per month. At some point, it dropped to 200, $100 per month, and now I learned that it has dropped to $20 per month. Okay, first of all, for those of us who have not heard of arbitrage is just a system of trading whereby you buy a token at cheap rates, and selling at a very high rate. Okay, either you buy from a platform with your card and move it to Binance, any of the exchanges or peer to peer to sell. In most cases, you get at CBN rates like 417, 420, 430, as the case may be, and then you move to a platform where where you can sell it higher, like 570, and that's huge, but that is no longer possible because of CBN limitation. So what we are doing now, you can actually it's just all about research. Okay, there's another method too. I will do a video on that. You buy from one exchange and move it to another exchange. You see this due to disparity. Okay, so it just has to do with taking advantage of exploiting the disparity in prices, of a particular cryptocurrency, and then buying low here, moving it to where it sells higher, and then you make some profit. Even if it's $5, you can do it over and over again as long as the disparity remains. The one we're going to talk about is a triangular arbitrage. Okay, so now we're going to use this platform to explain that the one I just talked about, triangular arbitrage. But first, before I proceed, please, for those visiting my platform for my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. I am begging you in the name of God. Do subscribe, like the video, and then both old and new subscribers kindly toggle on the subscription button for sorry notification button so that whenever I drop a video, because I'll be dropping more videos on arbitrage, so you can get notified. Thank you. So guys, now on this platform, you're going to take advantage of disparity in the one I just talked about, triangular arbitrage. You're going to take advantage in disparity and tokens that have Ethereum and USDT pairs. Now, let's look at Cardia chain. If you look at Cardia chain, let me circle this so you see what I'm talking about. Look at Cardia chain. Look at Ethereum here, 52% has done 52.91%. Meanwhile, USDT has done 4.77%. So you're going to buy. We're going to buy. Let's go to Ethereum. For instance, you buy. Sorry, you USDT. Use Ethereum to buy Kai. So we're clicking on USDT. Sorry, he used USDT to buy Kai. Okay, use USDT to buy Kai. You use USDT. So for those I know, if you're watching this now, I know you understand how to trade on cryptocurrency platform, how to buy and sell. So you select the current market price, and then 1,000. Let me see, 1,000. Sorry, 100. Let's say we're buying 100, 1,980. Let's say we're buying with $100, we're buying car, so it will give you 1980 car. So let's assume you've bought this 1900. Now let's see if you want to sell it to Ethereum. Let's see what it will give us. So you come here and click on Ethereum, KI Ethereum. We're selling it now. For instance, you just put this car here. Look at what it's giving us. Look at what it is giving us. Look at it, $120. So when you sell, you'll not convert your Ethereum. Either you sell, convert your Ethereum to USDT, buy again. So if you look at what I just did now, $120, $120. That is huge, guys. Okay, then you do it again repeatedly. It is massive. It is massive. Okay, so what you'll be looking at for now, each time you want to do this, what you'll be looking at for, just come to market and you click to open this. You click, it will open. Go through the volume of trade, and the percentage change. The one that has low percentage is the one you will buy between USDT pair and Ethereum pair, and then go to ETH and sell it in exchange for ETH. So you can see the difference. You can see the difference. So this is one aspect. There are other tokens, but for now you may not see them because most coins are pumping and the disparity is not that much, but that of Kai remains there. I've noticed it, I've observed it lately. You can actually cash in on this, use it to make some money. So this is cardless arbitrage. You can actually do it. You can do it. I mean, while we are still researching on possible ways to make money through arbitrage, okay, most of us decided to go into it when the market was down, just to keep ourselves busy with other trading we were doing. So you can actually do this, Kai. Then when you're done, you scroll through and check. Just be checking the ones with Ethereum pairs, and look at the disparity. So the disparity, you can see this one is not much. Okay, so that is it on triangular arbitrage. Please, if you have any question, kindly drop on the comment section. I will attend to it. And I promise to come up with more videos on cardless arbitrage. All right, guys, cheers and take care.